First, let me say thanks to the subscriber that requested this video. Dealing with the trade with China. I'm excited when you guys ask me to do stuff like this. Before I started this video today, I Googled trade war with China. Every single article on the first page, negative. I mean, even some conservative sources. And whether you're in the financial world, Wall Street, whether you're a Democrat or Republican, it's unanimous. It's a bad idea for tariffs, for anything that would change the current deals that we have with China. It could be devastating to our economy. It's what they're all saying. Let me let you in on a little secret. We are already in a trade war with China. Trump can't get us into it. It's already there. It's been going on since about 1990. And the one thing consistent year after year since then is they are beating our butts off in every way. Now, the imbalance reached the biggest ever last year. Okay, let me put it in perspective for you. It's near $400 billion. So when we buy products from China, we're buying about 5 products to where they're only buying 1 from us. To put in per capita numbers by citizens, that means that we're spending a little less than $2,000 for products from China per person, whereas Chinese citizens, about 90. That is the definition of getting your butt kicked when it comes to economic terms. Do you realize that near $400 billion imbalance that we have with China? That equals 2 of the state budgets of California. If we could just give that money to California, they could run their whole operation 2 years. It's incredible. Yet, for some reason, we can't touch it. Never mind this stuff. I remember when Trump was campaigning and he said, you know, they manipulate the market and do some crazy things with their currency. I didn't fully know what that was, so I looked it up. Give you just one example. We all know what corn is. Well, China, they grow their own corn. They've got a lot of fertile land for that. A few years ago, if you were an Iowa corn farmer, you saw your profits cut in half because the world market price for corn just dropped during that time. You know why? A big reason was China. The government, the communist government, decided to pay their farmers, give them a subsidy to grow more corn. And so they just glutted the market, which of course brought the overall price down, killing our farmers. Now, I don't know they did it for that purpose. Doesn't matter. Bottom line is getting our butts kicked year after year after year. You know what? I don't like Trump womanizing. I don't like his tweets. I don't like some of the questions of character I have with him, but he is such the perfect person to jump in this right now. We need a bull in the china shop type leader to deal with this Chinese mess and this war that's going on. Maybe we can't win the war overall, but let's at least get a few victories here and there. So really, are you worried about a trade war? Listen, China has much more to lose economically than we do. And by the way, China is #1 in charging tariffs on all the imports coming into their country. Once again, they're beating our butts in every way. And last little comment I want to make. I wasn't a fan of President Obama, but when China did that crazy thing with the corn market, that was when he was president, and he did exactly what our financiers, what Democrats and what Republicans want Trump to do right now. You know what Obama did? Nothing.